Hey guys, it's Susie, and today we're making this Pom Pom's Wall Hanging. Pom Pom's Wall Hanging. A Pom Pom Wall Hanging. Isn't it totally awesome? I know, right? Let's make it. Okay, so to get started, I'm using embroidery hoop, and this is to create the backing of the wall hanging. That way I have stuff to glue things on. I'm gonna take any fabric, non-stretchy fabric works out to be the best, and I'm gonna place it over one ring, and I'm gonna put the other ring on top and make it tight. And this is just really to have something to glue the pom-poms on. And once it's tight, I'm just gonna cut off the excess fabric, and then we'll start making some pom-poms. To create a pom-pom, really you just need something to wrap your yarn around. So I'm using a wooden spoon, strainer, I used it last night to mash potatoes thing, and some yarn. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my spatula mashed potato thingamajig, and I'm going to wrap the yarn around this. And I am using this because it does have like a middle slot in it, which you can easily tie the middle part. I've also used a fork. Forks make really good small pom-poms. I've used a wine bottle for big ones. Toilet paper holder, literally anything that you can wrap your yarn around works out really well. The amount that you wrap this around just depends on the size of the pom-pom. The bigger it is, the more yarn it needs. And you do want to try to keep it more congested towards the middle. That's good, we'll do that. I'm gonna trim it, and I'm gonna cut off a little bit of excess because this is where the center is gonna tie. And you do have to tie it in the middle. I'm gonna slide this down a little bit, and why I like using a fork, it's because it has that middle slit. And I can just easily put my yarn through that and find the center of it. Otherwise, you have to pull off all of the yarn and just kind of figure out where center is, and it's a little bit more difficult to hold it. So I'm going to put a knot in it. Pull it tight. I'm going to just start to slide it off. Take my scissors, and now you are cutting all the loops right in half. So these little loops now turn into pom-pom hairs. Shake it out a little bit, and you might have to go in and trim it up some, because some hairs do tend to be a little bit longer. That's all there is to it. One down, about 20 more to go. Now I'm going to use hot glue and put some hot glue on the back of these and stick them on the fabric. What? There it is. We have the front and the back. Let's go hang it up. Oh. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my pom-pom adventures. We will see you next time. Peace.